Hi, my name is Simran Cheema. I'm an instructional designer within TileHub. The focus of today's session was to show everybody that simulation can be applied in a lot of different disciplines. It doesn't matter what the topic is. It could be anything conversational, anything explorative. Wherever someone needs to apply any of their skills and knowledge, they can do that. And I wanted to first step back and describe what is simulation and what are the main benefits. The key takeaways is that there are many other ways you can make learning more engaging, more innovative, and try to step away from all of those PowerPoint and talking at student type of lectures. And I wanted them to open their mind and be inspired by the different simulations that they could create.
How have you found the session today?
Really good, yeah. Really liked talking to other people from different disciplines and kind of actually taking ideas from what they're doing and applying it to what we might be able to do. So yeah, really kind of inspiring and exciting. I think it was pretty much what I expected. It was kind of like some demo, talking through kind of some of the principles, having a go at some of the things. And I suppose I knew a little bit about some of the technology beforehand, but actually seeing it and kind of reinforcing how you can make it work and how straightforward it could be. And I think the more I play with it, I think the easier it'll get. I suppose really trying to understand what it is that you're trying to achieve with the simulation, rather than going, oh, that's a really cool technology, I'd like to use that. It's like, actually, what is it that you would like to do? And then how could you maybe use like a selection of these tools in different ways?
It's been an eye-opener, in all fairness. It's you've got all this technology, but you don't know it. And if you don't know what it can do, you can't apply it. So knowing what the functionality of verities and thingling are, it will allow us to embed it better. I'm already finding applications to it, so it's been a really nice session. A thing that I wasn't expecting.
Yeah.
Thingling, in all fairness. I mean, I didn't have any expectations as such, because I knew it was going to be about immersive simulation, but I didn't know about Bertie or thingling. I knew about Bertie, but not about thingling, so I wasn't expecting thingling at all. It's a really useful tool. Number one takeaway, I'd say use the resources you've got, because they can enrich your students' experience. We teach some topics that can be dense sometimes, and embedding them into these kind of interactive and novel technologies can make it more appealing to them and can get the message through with a punch, if that makes sense. So yeah, we need to use more of this.